Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Saturday, January 21st, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I thought I would do a quick video and show you several different ways I use Facebook to get leads for my LiveGood business. The first thing I do is I edit the cover photo. All right, everyone can edit this and create their own cover photo. I created this in Canva, which is free to use. They do have a paid version, but you can make something simple like this with the free version. All right, and then what happens is, so it says 2023, Happy New Year, and then I have my LiveGood 2023 domain name here, all right? So when somebody sees this in the feed, or if they click on this photo, they're going to see this little description here where it says, I hope you have a happy, healthy, and prosperous New Year, and then it has the link. And when they click on this link, it takes them over to my LiveGood landing page, all right? And then they can watch the 5-minute, 55-second video, and they can opt in to reserve their position in our matrix if they choose to. All right, so that's one way that I use Facebook. And you can see there's 43 people that liked it, and it does get engagement, and people will see it if you share it to your feed, okay? So the second thing I do is I come down here to the bio, and I always edit the bio, and basically I just have hottest new business opportunity on the planet, take the free tour today, and then again I have the link to my Powerline capture page, okay? The third thing, and you can also put a link down in here, but where I already have several, I'm just going to leave it right here. All right, this seems to work pretty well for me. The next thing that I always do is I have a pinned post. All right, and this pinned post says 2,000 plus per month without referring, ask for 5-minute video. And I'll keep this up for a week or so, and then I'll just replace it with a new one. Or if it's not getting engagement, I might delete it and just put up something new. But you can see here, I had some likes on this, and I have some comments. All right, you can see all the people asking for information here. And for instance, when somebody asks for information, I just click, go to their link here. I click on message, move this up here out of the way. And I just, for this gentleman, Tarian, I just said, hi Tarian, hope you're doing well. Here's the link to the video you requested. Let me know if you have any questions after watching the video. All right, and then I just send them my link. And the reason I put let me know if you have questions after watching the video is because I don't want to spend all day answering questions for people that are answered in the video. I don't mind answering questions, but nowadays I just say, check out the video first, ask me questions afterwards, and it saves me a lot of time. And the video does a lot better job explaining it than I do, all right? So it's just simpler to send them to the video. Hey, if you have any questions after that, I'm willing to hop on a 5-minute call or answer any questions you have, all right? So always keep a pinned post up here and just change it out periodically. The next thing that you can do is you can create stories. All right, and I'm not going to play the music that I have for this, but this is the one I posted earlier today, 3 hours ago. It says winners never quit and quitters never win. I have a motivational audio behind this, and then it's basically just showing that I'm committed to this, and I upgraded my membership to the yearly program where I'm a member until January 21st, 2024. All right, so that's the stories part. You can also create reels. Okay, and again, I'm not going to go into how to do all these, but I mean, most everybody knows how to do these. But you can do reels, okay? So here's one I did back on January 17th, and it just says, this is how I start my day. See comment below to learn more, all right? So I always post a comment on this, and I just put my link there, okay? Then this person said, I did and joined. All right, so that's another way to use Facebook, that I use Facebook to get leads and signups. The other thing you can do is you can go to Messenger and you can write to people who you know are into health and wellness, or perhaps maybe they're looking to supplement their income, and you can just write something like, hey Joe, I just joined this amazing new company. 10,000 members have joined in the last month. You can even earn up to $2,047.50 without recruiting. Would you be interested in watching a 5-minute video. And send that to them. You can change this verbiage however you want to, but that's just something that, you know, I would send somebody like that. Hey, Joe, I just joined this amazing new company. 10,000 members have joined in the last month. You can even earn up to $2,047 without recruiting. Would you be interested in watching a 5-minute video? If they respond yes, you simply send them your link. If they don't respond to you, no harm done. All right, so that's something that you can do, and it's super easy. You can do, you know, send out 20 or 30 messages a day to people. Other marketers do send out their link in this, like they would include, you know, their link. But I'll tell you what, I don't want to get in trouble for spamming, okay? And I know this is looked down upon by some people. So, and I'm guilty of it. I used to do this all the time. I would send the link in with the message that I sent them, but I don't do that anymore. Unless they request to watch it, then I don't send them a link. So, that's another way you can do it. Use Messenger. All right, and the last thing that I do is I go to groups. Okay, so let's say Make Money Online. These are groups that are in the Make Money, you know, online business niche type deal. You don't want to be posting in groups that have nothing to do with business. All right, but just for example, let's say, you know, I go here. I'm part of this group. All right, and you can post something like, just something very simple, you know. Earn up to 2,000 plus per month without recruiting. Take the free tour today. All right, and then down here I just put my link. Now you got to make sure these groups allow you to post links. Not every group allows you to post links. But it'd be something like that, okay? And you could put a picture down here if you wanted to, or you could just leave it like that. You know, I always get rid of these. And you could put emojis here to make it look better. But anyway, that's something that you can do, okay? And believe it or not, people will sign up with this, all right? They will be interested and go on and click and pre-enroll, all right? So those are the ways that I use Facebook without paying for ads. I don't do any paid advertising on Facebook. I'm not too familiar with doing Facebook ads, and I've always had success with, you know, the point of it is that you just have to stay consistent. So if you're going to do these things, then just do them every single day. All right. If you're new to posting in groups, maybe post in 5 groups a day, different groups. If you don't message people that often, then just keep it to 10 people a day that you send a message to. All right. But the point is just to stay consistent, and eventually you will see people start pre-enrolling in your business. Okay. So anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you found value in it. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. If you have any questions about any of this, leave them down in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you'd like to take the free tour, you can click on the link down there in the description. It'll take you over to this page I showed you earlier. There's a 5-minute, 55-second video here that explains our business and everything about the business in greater detail. And then you just simply put your first, last name, and email and reserve your position now. Our team is growing like crazy. Last I checked, I have about 250 total team members, and I just got a new sign up today. So I'm telling you folks, if you just stay consistent and focus on this for an hour or two every single day, you will see success, okay? So anyway, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.